Hey, how you doing? This is Gary Bledsoe coming to you from whoisgarybledsoe.com. And in this short video, I want to talk to you today about turning words around, certain words around. One word in particular is the word struggle. A lot of times we go through a lot of things in order to achieve a goal or achieve a dream, and we usually call it a struggle. Well, what I want you to tell you today is don't call your struggle a struggle. Call your struggle a process. Change the word struggle into process. And when you change the word of something, when you change the meaning of something, or you change the word of something, you usually perceive it a different way. See, when you're going through things in order to try to, get a goal or get a dream, make it come to, to the physical manifestation, what usually happens is we always say that we're going through a struggle, meaning that we're going through the ups, the downs, the no's, the disappointments, the rejection. And when you say the word struggle, what you're really doing is that you're associating pain with trying to get what you want out of life. You're associating disappointment, you're associating rejection with the things that you're trying to get out of life. But if you call it a process, if you say, you know what, all the no's and all the disappointments and all the struggles and all the all the disappointments, all the rejections that you're going through is a part of the process for you to achieve a successful outcome of what it is that you really want. Tell yourself it's a process. Whenever, I remember a guy named David Nitti. This guy, he's a millionaire per year income earner in a network marketing company. And he said something powerful. He said, I never looked at, me trying to get what I want out of life as a struggle. I looked at it as a process. This is the process that I had to go through in order to get the things I want. See, he said another thing that was really powerful. He said, he said, I saw what I wanted out of life. And he said he just changed the word around to what I was what I want out of life. You have to understand that if you change the word saw to was, guess what? You're going to get those things. You got to constantly be having those things on your mind all the time. And look at it as all the things that you're going through, that things that are not working out right now. It's just a process that you got to go through in order to achieve what you want. So with that being said, make sure you change the word struggle to the word process. Instead of saying, I'm going through this struggle right now, say, I'm going through this process in order to get what I want. I hope this helped you. If it did, please share with someone else. And also, if it brought you value and you want more videos like this, visit my website at whoisgarybledsoe.com, and I'll be sure to send you some more videos to help you increase your personal positive development. Thank you, and have a great day.
Huh?